For decades, the image of a software developer was simple: someone sitting in front of a screen typing thousands of lines of code. That image is already becoming outdated. Today, some of the fastest developers in the world spend more time talking to AI than typing into their keyboard, and that raises an interesting question. If AI is writing more of the code, are developers becoming project managers? Let's find out. Chapter 1: The Old Developer. 10 years ago, software development was about memorizing syntax. You had to know frameworks, functions, libraries, documentation. Hours disappeared fixing tiny bugs. Shipping software was slow because humans did almost everything manually. The value of a developer was often measured by how much code they could write. Then AI arrived. Not autocomplete, actual software engineering assistance. Chapter 2: AI changes everything. Today's tools don't just complete a line of code, they build components, refactor projects, explain bugs, generate tests, write documentation, even entire applications. Instead of asking, "How do I write this function?" developers now ask, "Can you build this feature?" That's a completely different workflow. The keyboard is no longer the bottleneck. Thinking is. Chapter 3: What developers actually do. Modern developers spend surprisingly little time typing. Instead, they're defining requirements, planning architecture, reviewing AI-generated code, testing, making design decisions, talking to users, improving products. In many companies, coding is becoming one task among many. The real value is deciding what should be built in the first place. Chapter 4: Developers become directors. Think of AI like a junior engineer that never sleeps. It can build quickly, but it still needs direction. Good prompts, good architecture, clear goals. Someone has to decide, what are we building? Who is it for? How should it scale? What trade-offs matter? That's project management. Except the team now includes artificial intelligence. The best developers aren't competing with AI, they're leading it. Chapter 5: The skills that matter. The developers who thrive won't necessarily be the fastest coders, they'll be the best thinkers. They'll understand business, design, users, communication, systems. Because AI can write code, but it still can't fully understand people. The future engineer becomes part architect, part product manager, part designer, part AI operator. So, are developers becoming project managers? Not exactly. They're becoming something bigger. Software has always been about solving problems. AI simply removes more of the mechanical work. That means developers spend less time translating ideas into code and more time turning ideas into products. And that might be the biggest shift software has ever seen. If you enjoyed this deep dive, subscribe to Future Proof, because understanding technology isn't enough anymore. The people who win will be the ones who understand where it's going.